Hi Year 7, it's Mr Acton. I'm just going to run through the school uniform for you. You can get the details for this on the website and also how to order the uniform. Firstly, the girls' uniform. We have the blazer with the school badge on. We can then have the tie. It can either be clip-on or traditional tie. It's then a white shirt, short sleeve or long sleeve. We then have the black pleated skirt, which is knee length, or classic cut trousers. And then it is black tights or black ankle socks. And girls' footwear needs to be traditional black leather shoes. These can be slip-ons or laced. There should be no Velcro fasten overs, trainers, boots, canvas or logoed shoes. And the boys' uniform needs to be the school blazer with the badge. Also, it can be the clip-on tie or traditional tie. It can be a short-sleeved or long-sleeved plain white shirt, black classic cut trousers and black socks. And for the boys' shoes, these need to be traditional black leather shoes. These can be laced or slip-ons. There should be no Velcro fasten overs, trainers, boots, canvas or logoed shoes. Boys' PE kit. This is the training top. This is the multi-sports top. This is the thermal base layer, which is optional. These are the training pants and are optional. These are the shorts. These are the Cool Max socks. Boys will also require a pair of trainers and football boots, plus for their safety, shin pads and a gum shield. The girls' PE kit. This is the full zip training top. This is the training top. These are the leggings. These are the training pants, which are optional. These are the training shorts. This is the skirt, which is optional. These are the Cool Max socks. Girls will also require trainers, plus for their safety, shin pads and gum shield.